Hey everybody, Bob Crossen from Water and Waste Digest. I'm here at WEFTEC 2019 and we're going to go check out as many new products as we can on the show floor today. They have 60 seconds to tell us what it's all about. So let's go. I'm here with Cheryl Aids-Ansbach, Marketing Manager for Badger Meter. They have a brand new product from their Dynasonics line that she's going to tell you a little bit more about.
Badger Meter has been in the water industry for over 100 years, and we have a lot of different technology that helps you measure the flow. So our latest product that we have that just released a month ago is our TFX-5000. It's our Dynasonics ultrasonic meter that clamps on the outside of the pipe, as you can see. So what this does, what's the new thing about this, is that we have the data logging capabilities built into it. So it has over an 8 gigabytes of storage on there. So it can be measuring the flow, and if you need a backup copy, it will have a backup copy of all the flows with a time and date stamp on it. It has a built-in clock and the calendar into it. So, and the advantages of using a clamp-on ultrasonic meter is that it clamps on the outside of the pipe, so you don't have to stop your flow. So this is really ideal for retrofits. So if you have a system that's been in place for a while, and after the lifespan of the flow meters that you already have, it's sometimes hard to take that out of service. So this product, you can actually clamp on the outside of it, and a lot of times you can leave your meter right in place and then measure the flow. So it doesn't touch any of the water or wastewater that's in the pipe.
I'm here specifically with Chris Greco. He's the VP of Sales for E1. He's going to tell us a little bit about the Sentry Advisor that you can see behind me. So here you go, Chris.
E1 all-terrain sewer sets the benchmark in pressure sewer monitoring. Today at WEFTEC 2019, we're launching Sentry Advisor 2.0. Sentry Advisor 2.0 is an enhanced monitoring platform that provides early detection assessment for a pressure sewer site. It also provides a peace of mind for the homeowner. And finally, this tool has been very successful at lowering and managing operations and maintenance costs within the utilities budget. We're really excited about this product. Sentry Advisor 2.0 is a technology we feel is going to continue to help E1 carry on its leadership position.
So I'm here at the Mueller booth now with Dave Johnson. He is the Director of Smart Water for Mueller. So I wanted to have him talk a little bit about this product that you see behind me. So take it away, Dave.
So what we're looking at here, it's called Centrex. It's Mueller's software platform for all of our smart technologies. We've got 2 versions of Smart Fire Hydrant, the wet barrel and the dry barrel version. Both of those have leak detection and pressure monitoring on them. We also have AMI metering networks as well as smart flushing units. So all of those devices are wrapped up and displayed in the Centrex platform. The Centrex platform itself is a centralized location which empowers asset managers to get better control of their data and get a better understanding of what's going on in their distribution system. The number one problem right now in water distribution networks is lack of insight and lack of knowledge into what's actually going on below the ground. These being buried assets, you don't see what's going on. It's really hard to understand what kind of condition they're in, if they're leaking, if they're not leaking. Centrex is a platform that allows you to gain visibility that you wouldn't have had before. And so, as you can see, it's a GIS-based platform, a geospatial platform where you can take a look at the maps and you can take a look at different devices in your network. You can look at device status and understand what's going on with the device itself. But within the devices, you can actually drill in and take a deeper look into what's going on. So this is an example of one of our leak detection devices, and you can drill in and actually see specific information recorded at the device itself, which allows you to further troubleshoot what's going on. Centrex overall is something that's designed to be user-friendly, easily accessible by water assets managers and asset owners, and something that will really help utilities get to the digital water revolution to really see what's going on inside their network and make smarter decisions every day.
Now I'm here in the Arango Systems booth with Blake Johnston. He is the sales manager for wastewater products with Orenco Systems. And they have this brand new product called Delos behind me that he's going to tell you all about.
The Delos processor is a liquid-only sewer. What we're doing is we're treating solids and dealing with solids on site. So you're eliminating not only the expense, but all the infrastructure that's associated with sewer technology that requires you to pump, convey, treat, and ultimately deal with biosolids associated with that. So the Delos processor features a number of advancements in sewer technology, the first being meandering patented tank design and the passive self-cleaning filter. What this does is it will not only retain settable solids on site, but the passive self-cleaning filter will eliminate the need, virtually eliminate the need for filter maintenance. We utilize a half horsepower, 10-gallon per minute pump, which will cover almost 99%, if not greater, of the pumping needs for individual households in the effluent sewer. And it also features the click-tight wiring connection system design, which eliminates splices and connections in the riser or outside the riser, allowing users to replace floats and pumps with one click.
I'm here in the Kaiser Compressors booth now with Manuel Diaz. He's a business development manager for Kaiser Compressors, and they have behind us the PillAerator, and he's going to tell you about this brand new product for you.
Here today we are presenting our 150 kilowatts, so 200 horsepower machine. Mag bearings, water-cooled, and state-of-the-art. Means we have our PLC, we control the complete equipment through the electrical cabinet we have here inside, bringing all equipment together that we need to run the machine. Once the machine is located, installed, we need just half day to start up the machine. From that moment on, the machine is able to run into your system. Inside is a VFD in the standard, as also a mag bearing controller to control the magnetic field. Means that our machine has water-cooled motor, water-cooled bearings, and we don't have a shaft seal in between the compressor stage and the entire motor. So we pressurize the motor and we just cool the main stressed components by internal water cooling system. Now we're on the mechanical side of the machine. Means here we have all the equipment to support the motor with the mag bearings on the bottom and the compressor stage on the top. To cool the motor and the bearings, we just use water. Indeed, it's a water glycol mix like in a car, and that's the system that we use. We have a closed loop water circuit operating here. A radiator to cool down the water circuit by air. We have a pump that keeps the complete system circulating, and it's pumping the water to the motor, beside also the bearings, and the heat and water is coming back. Even the VFD is being cooled by this water circuit. If you want to, you can also use the tube-in-tube heat exchanger, which is also installed in the equipment, so that you use external water to cool the internal circuit and reduce the temperature in your compressor room. The way of the air is pretty simple. You can aspirate from the top or from the back side, right out of the room, or by the flanges connecting to a duct. The air is going through the silencer, which is behind this plate. Behind this plate we have the air inlets filter. The air is going through the silencer, through the filter, into the compressor stage, and straight ahead out of the compressor.